Kiama kia UDA ime yumochio Nairobi nigo rituko riare robo mirana ime William Ruto
NIGO bababuria kwenekia nga amagenderero ngwikirani gwari anene chinga kibagendete kwirubiria asobochorio bonene bumwaka obwechiri bubere 2025 nebere chinga ki bona bana siasa byariganitie gochakoba bagochaka campaign chabo omwako yiga.
That the UDA party in Nairobi is strong and is willing and is ready to take instructions from the president going forward, because we know this is the where campaigns are going to begin, where the president is going to move to the grassroots, and where the president is ready to interact and engage with the grassroots, the leaders, and also the common mamamboga who makes for the hustler nation that the president had promised to attend to. We know what the president has been doing. The president has dealt with issues of affordable housing, something that was very integral in his manifesto. The president has dealt with issues of bringing people together, where the president has brought the ODM party together with UDA party. The president has brought on board several parties and all other factions politically to ensure that there is cohesion in this country.
Wanachama wa UDA Nairobi, tunasema ya kwamba tunakubaliana na muongozo wa NEC na rais wetu William Samoei Ruto ya kwamba wanachama wetu wa UDA Nairobi waweze kufanya kazi na chama cha ODM. Chama gani? ODM. Na chama gani? UDA. Kwa sababu kama mahali hatuna mbunge, mahali hatuna MCA, sisi kama wanachama wa UDA tunakubaliana na rais, tunaenda kufanya kazi na marafiki zetu wa ODM, kwa sababu hii shamba ni kubwa, hii serikali ni kubwa, na hii ng'ombe ni kubwa. Tutafanya nao huko juu, katikati na wapi? Chini.
As Nairobi UDA delegates, we've been, the whole of 2025, we've been sensitizing our delegates in other sub-counties, that we've been coming together, sensitizing our delegates and showing them that as delegates, we are the foot soldiers of the president in Nairobi and in Kenya. So our positions as delegates is guaranteed, and as duly elected delegates, we are not here to fight anybody. We are here to work with the president as his foot soldiers in the grassroots so that we may forge ahead to the coming elections.
Nashukuru delegate ya Nairobi. Tuko pamoja, tunaomba kwamba tuko pamoja na president wetu, tunafanya kazi pamoja.